Is anybody home? Hello? Yo!
John?
Zach? Why were you in the fridge?
Hi, John.
Why were you in the fridge? That's not normal!
Alright. Well, about half hour before you got here, I was watching Indiana Jones, you know, the fourth one. It was on TV, so I decided I'd sit down and watch it. Well, it was that part where he goes into the fridge, you know, and with the bomb. And I was just sitting there thinking, this is stupid. So I changed the channel to Mythbusters. And that got me thinking, how would Mythbusters approach this fridge? How would Mythbusters approach this fridge? So 5 minutes before he got here, I ran down to Menards, picked up like 5 sticks of dynamite, brought them back here, lit them on fire, threw them in my bedroom, hid in the fridge, and then I waited for it to explode and see what would happen. I actually forgot you were coming, and I thought you knocking on the door was the explosion, so I thought it was okay to come out.
So you're telling me there's lit dynamite in here right now?
Yeah! Oh. Watch the blooper reel!